You've got a friend stepping to the left, one, rock back, recover weight left, and we're going to side cha-cha to the right as you make a quarter turn at the end, side together, turn. Alright, so the turn happens at the end. From the top, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Use your left foot, we pivot half turn. Weights now on the right, and cha-cha forward, left together, left. First 8 counts, face the front from the top, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, with a cha-cha turn, pivot half turn, cha-cha-cha. Using your right foot, we're going to pivot half turn and a half cha-cha back. Think of it as a full turn pivot though. So pivot, half turn, cha-cha-cha. As I said, think of it as a full turn. 1, 2, back together, back. Face the front, we're going to add that little part on together. Weights on our right foot, step to the left, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, turn. Pivot, cha-cha forward, cha-cha-cha. Pivot all the way around and cha-cha back. Right together, right. We quarter turn to the left as you step to the left side. Cross your right foot over and a side cha-cha to the left, cha-cha-cha. Alright, weights on that left foot. So as you pivot around, so pivot, half turn, half cha-cha, turn to the back with a cross, side cha-cha. Face the front, we are halfway through. Left lead, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, with a cha-cha turn. Pivot half, cha-cha forward, pivot half again, half cha-cha going back, 2-step turn to the back, and a side cha-cha to the left. Cross rock, right foot over left, recover the weight back onto the left foot, quarter turn right, and we cha-cha forward, cha-cha-cha. That's on your right leg. Stay at 9 o'clock, put the weight on your left, pivot half, half cha-cha back. Remember, we are travelling back towards our 3 o'clock. So we pivot. 1, 2, cha-cha right, quarter turn left, step across, side cha-cha, cross and recover with a quarter cha-cha. Face the front, let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, step left with a 1, 2, 3, side cha-cha, turn, pivot half, cha-cha forward, pivot half again, half cha-cha back, quarter 2 steps with a 1, with a 2, cha-cha-cha, cross rock, recover, quarter cha-cha-cha. Let's finish it up. Rocking to the left, recover back onto the right, with a cross cha-cha, or left, right, left, cross and cross. And that is 8 and 1, into the last 8 counts. So we rock 1, 2 with a cross and cross. We're going to bind to the right for 2, 3, 4. Cross rock recover. 5, 6. And we step side cross. 7, 8. End of dance. Ready to start again. Facing your 9 o'clock wall. Rocking to the left with a cross cha-cha to finish off that third set of 8. So rock, recover, cross and cross, bind, 2, 3, 4, cross, rock, recover, side, cross. So the last 7 counts, the last set of 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. There is no other and counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're ready to start with 1, 2, 3. Face the front, let's put the whole thing together. Left foot lead, 7, 8. Step side, rock back, recover, cha-cha, left, right, turn. So right, left, right, and a cha-cha forward, pivot around, cha-cha back. 2 steps to the back, stepping 1, stepping 2, cha-cha-cha, cross rock, quarter turn, cha-cha-cha, side rock, cross cha-cha, bind right. 1, 2, with a cross rock recover, vine back again, and we start with a 1, 2, 3, and a cha-cha turn. Pivot to the back, cha-cha turn, pivot a half turn, you should be at the front wall. Continue making another half turn, cha, cha, cha. Back to the back. Pivot, half, turn, half, cha, cha, cha. Facing 9 o'clock from the top. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. With a cha, cha, turn. Pivot to the back, cha, cha, forward. Pivot half, half turn to the back, cha, cha, back. Quarter turn to the left. Cross with a cha, cha, cha. Face the back. Let's try that part there with the pivot half, half cha, cha, quarter turn. The part you probably have to think about the most. Use your right foot facing the back. Pivot half turn, nice and slow. Pivot half turn. Now half turn, cha, cha, back. Cha, cha, cha. Quarter turn to the left. Stepping 1, stepping 2 is across. Side, cha, cha, cha. Try that one more time. Back wall, sorry. Face the back. Pivot with the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, half, cha, 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 quarter step, across with a cha, cha, cross rock, cha, cha to the back wall, side rock to the left, cross, cha, cha, now we vine right for 2, 3, 4, cross rock, side cross, start again, 1, 2, 3. So don't rush those last 7 counts. Face the front, we're going to do 3 walls around, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, with a cha, cha, turn. Pivot and cha, cha, forward. And pivot half, cha, cha, back. 2 steps with a 1 and a 2. Cha, 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 cross rock. Quarter cha, cha. Side rock and a cross cha, cha. Vine to the right with a 2, 3, 4. Cross rock, vine back. Cross it over, step 1, 2, 3, with a cha, cha, turn. Pivot half turn and a cha, cha, cha. Turn all the way around, cha, cha, back. 2 steps, 1, 2, side cha, cha, cha. Cross rock. Quarter cha, cha, cha. Side rock, cross it over. Vine right with a right, left, right, cross rock. Side cross. Start again with a 1, 2, 3, with a 4 and 5. Pivot turn, face 3 o'clock. Now pivot all the way around, back to 3, cha, cha, back. Step it to the front. 1, 2, with a cha, cha, cha. Cross quarter turn. Side rock. And vine to the right with a right, left, right, cross rock. Back again. Ready, start from the top. 1, 2, 3. Cha, cha, turn to the back. Pivot to the front. Cha, cha. Now pivot all the way around, back to the front wall. Cha, cha, back. Right, left, right. Step 1, 2, with a cha, 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 cross rock. And a cha, cha, side rock, cross cha, cha. Vine to the right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, with a cha, cha. And that's it. Let's try the last wall one more time, then we'll do our tag to the back. From the top, left foot lead, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, with a cha, cha, turn, pivot half. All the way around, pivot back to the front, cha, cha, back. Quarter turn, step, step, with a cha, 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 rock. Side rock with a cross, cha, cha. Vine to the right with a 2, 3, 4, cross rock. Bring it back. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3. At the end of wall number 2, we'll be facing the back. As you finish off with a vine, 3, 4, rock, recover, 7, cross on 8. We're going to add a tag. Simply rock to the left, cross shuffle, and rock to the right, cross shuffle. Easy as that. Try it to the front. Rocking to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready to start. 1, 2, 3. That is at the end of wall number 2. You'll be facing the back when you do it. To start the song, we have 64 counts from the lyrics. So we're going to start with the heavy beat. So once she starts singing, 64 counts, and then we will start. To finish the dance, we'll be facing 3 o'clock. So we finish the last wall starting at the back. We're just about to finish with the cross cha-cha. Vine to the right, 2, 3, 4, rock and turn to the front. And we're done.